Hi, it's Dave from Drive and Venture. Welcome back to the channel. Today it's your questions, my answers. So you join me here on the shores of Thermale Reservoir, and today this car will be going through some amazing roads, and today I will be answering your questions about this car, a little bit about me, about the Drive and Venture Club. And also, if you haven't done so already, please think about subscribing and putting the notification bell on. So question one from Kieran Fellows, who's extremely good with the camera. His question is, any news on the Spider? Well, yes there is. You'll have to stay tuned for that because I do cover that off in Wednesday's video, Costco Drives, where this car does feature, so stay tuned for that. Okay, next question from the Bathonian Rider, and he asked, any chance of incorporating two wheels in those vids? I don't have a motorbike license, so not for the foreseeable future, although I am thinking about getting a motorbike license because my pal Paul, he's into bikes, big style, and I know they're extremely thrilling, so maybe I'll get a bike license this year. We'll see how it goes. Okay, next question. The son of Donald wants to know, is it tunes up max with those fab Bose speakers or just the engine noise for pleasure? Well, depending on my mood, sometimes it's just nice to listen to the engine growling away, howling away. But the Bose speaker, I do like to listen to the tunes too, so it depends on what my mood is. If I'm on a drive and really pushing on, the Bose speakers can't compete with the IP exhaust. Question here from Matt Fox. Follow Matt Fox on Instagram, does great photography. Join us on track days to Anglesey 2. Top guy. He was actually there when I collected my first GT car, my GT3 from Kendal. He helped out on that video, so it's such a great guy. Anyway, he's asking, will Drive and Venture Club be open to all, or will it be invitation only? Well, obviously you can apply, and depending on what car you have initially, I'm sure hopefully we'll be able to join. As time goes on and it builds, then I'm hoping to have different classification of cars that will be accommodated in the club. Next question. What's the best road in the UK you have drove on? From Sedgley Group. Well, it has to be the Highlands, so it's Scotland. It's probably the left turn off the A82 as you take the A87 right up to Skye. Fantastic stretches of road, and then up onto Skye. Absolutely tremendous stretch of road. You've got to drive it if you haven't done it. If you haven't done it, you join the club. We will be driving it. Okay, next question comes from G. Howells, who wants to know, I have a 991.2 GT3, lucky chap, wonderful car. And interested to know the areas that RS as a road car is better, particularly when considering the near 50k cost to change. Right, well, the RS, it's got a wider track, the steering sharper, the cornering ability is better, it's got more torque, you definitely notice that. The aero's better, you certainly feel the car getting pushed into the ground more when you're pressing on. And I'd just go on to say also, not only is it the RS that makes the difference, but there's fewer of them. So if you look at prices for RS cars over standard GT3 cars, 5 years, 10 years old, the RSs are the ones that are fewer for sale. And when they come up for sale, they get snapped up very, very quickly. So £50,000 in it, is it worth it? For those two letters, RS, I think it is. Okay, final question from Luka Stefanovic is, have I got a 992 GT3 incoming? Well, it's not been launched yet, but it's not very, very far away. Truth is, I haven't asked for one. This is more enough for me. So I think Kendall, they'll be allocating their 992 GT3s, but I'm not on the list, so I didn't want one. So hopefully that answers that question. Okay, well the rain is now coming down, so we're going to wrap things up there. Thanks very much for watching today's video. There'll be another question and answer video at some stage in the future about the RS, about Driving Venture Club. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, get the notification button on, and I'll see you next time.